Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're discussing a crucial topic: 7 key symptoms that could be early warning signs of bowel cancer. By being aware and proactive, you can catch potential issues early and improve your chances of successful treatment. Let's dive in. Symptom 1. Changes in bowel habits. The first symptom to watch for is a change in your bowel habits. This can include going more often than usual, experiencing diarrhea or constipation that lasts for several weeks, or feeling like you haven't completely emptied your bowels after a movement. These changes can indicate underlying issues, including bowel cancer, especially if they persist despite dietary changes or over-the-counter treatments. Symptom 2. Blood in stool. Finding blood in your stool or on toilet paper is a significant symptom that should never be ignored. Blood may appear bright red or dark and tarry, indicating different sources of bleeding. While hemorrhoids are a common cause, any instance of rectal bleeding warrants immediate medical attention to rule out serious conditions like bowel cancer. Symptom 3. Abdominal pain or discomfort. Persistent abdominal pain, cramps, or discomfort can signal bowel cancer. This pain may be localized or widespread and can be accompanied by bloating and gas. If you experience severe or ongoing abdominal pain, especially if it's new and unexplained, consult your healthcare provider for further evaluation. Symptom 4. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying is another concerning symptom. If you notice significant weight loss without changes to your diet or exercise routine, it could indicate that your body is struggling with an underlying issue like cancer. Weight loss can occur due to the body's increased energy demands when fighting disease, or due to malabsorption of nutrients. Symptom 5. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling unusually tired or weak can be a sign of anemia, which sometimes results from internal bleeding associated with bowel cancer. If you find that fatigue is affecting your daily activities and persists despite adequate rest and nutrition, it's essential to seek medical advice. Symptom 6. Feeling of incomplete bowel emptying. If you frequently feel like you need to have a bowel movement even after you've just gone, this could indicate a blockage caused by a tumor. This sensation can lead to straining during bowel movements and should be discussed with your doctor if it becomes a regular occurrence. Symptom 7. Narrow stools. If you notice that your stools have become consistently thinner, like a pencil, this could suggest that there's a tumor narrowing your bowel. While this symptom may not always indicate cancer, it should prompt further investigation by a healthcare professional. Remember, having these symptoms doesn't necessarily mean you have bowel cancer, but it's crucial to get them checked out. Early detection significantly improves treatment outcomes. Regular screenings are also vital for those at higher risk. While we can't prevent all cases of bowel cancer, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help reduce your risk. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in fiber, limiting alcohol and processed meats, and participating in recommended screening programs starting at age 45. Being aware of these 7 symptoms is your first line of defense against bowel cancer. If you experience any of them persistently, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. Early detection saves lives. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health information.